It's rolling, baby. It's rolling. You wanna say hi? I'll introduce. Hold on. What's up, YouTube, man? Me and David's here back with another video. My boy David helping me out. Look, you can peep him. Peep them. That's him. He's helping me out. New wheels and tires set up. We're over here at State Street, getting the tires done, but kind of looks sketchy. These people look a little funny. They're in here. The tires and stuff are in here. Oh. Got the tires in here. Sorry, the video's all off. David's helping him. Got tires. Shit is meat, boy, meat. I'll show you guys the tire inside. Hold on, I can't do this with one hand. I'll be right back. New wheel. Crack that one open, baby. Oh, that's how they come out fresh. Hell yeah. Do the honors, baby. Do the honors, baby. Oh, let me grab the key. I can't do that. It's my job key. Sure, niggas opening some fresh rims. Some fresh rims, man. Hell yeah. That's the front part, yep. You can just set it down. Yeah, show me, buddy. Show me, buddy. Ooh, bad. Got the other one right there. This place is lit. This place is lit. There's tires and stuff everywhere. Looking good, man. Looking good, dude. Dude, look how this looks on the camera, bro. It's like a movie, bro. Like, it looks pretty sick, bro. Dude. This is the full zoom. I don't have a wide lens. This is like a 18 to 55 lens. Dude. I'm so excited, bro. Still got my uniform on for my job. This is crazy, bro. Well, I'm so excited. I finally got new tires and new rims. I've been on, well, I think it's been almost a year, dude. I got the car in June. I never changed the tires and it's been bald since June. It's almost been a year. I've been on bald tires, so this shit is crazy. Almost a year on bald tires, bro. On bald tires. So, man, this is gonna be a banger video. I'm gonna try to make a banger video for you guys for the tube life. I'm gonna try it to. Bro. This is bad thing. Hit up State Street if you need your tires done. Here's a number. David's whip. David, yeah. Want to talk about your car or not?
It's a beastie.
It's a beastie.
It's pretty fast. It can't go over 70.
Stupid. Oh, another Stang down there. Another Stang, baby. Mine's right here. Oh man, I can't wait to change these ugly wheels, bro. Wait, I haven't showed YouTube how bald they are. Like, these shits is bald. Hold on, you can't even see in there. They are bald, buddy. Look at that shit. It looks like drag radials. Bald as fuck, bro. But, so... yeah, hopefully, man. Hopefully my car should be a beast. I'm trying to do some donuts, man. I'm trying to burn the stickers off those things, man. I can't wait. Oh shit. I got to put on the lens. Hold on. My hair is wild. Sticker. I think that's good. Is it good now? Is it better? Yeah. Can't wait to do that.
Which side to put it on?
For real? Oh yeah, this is cool. My camera's about to die. That's crazy.
Really?
Yeah.
They pulled it out.
No, I didn't have the charger for a while. I haven't recorded with this camera in a while. We out here. We going back to David's crib. See David up there in his truck. We out here, baby. We out here. Oh my goodness. Change your lanes. Hold up. Oh. This vlogging and driving is hard. Do you see me? Sad car alarm's off. Look at this dude. Where the fuck is he doing? Lady. See David. Hey, David, buddy. Oh, this shit is lit. We out here, going back to his crib. Oh, I still have my check engine light. My O2 sensors are still not plugged in. My rear ones, I guess. So that's gonna be another video. Oh, don't cross the street, nigga. Alright, so I'll see you guys when we get to David's crib.
Alright, I'm recording.
Alright. What's up, YouTube? The YouTube world. Taking these fucking wheels. Shit is too clean, son. My goodness, bro. Shit is taken. Let me drill this shit out. This one is like dumb tight.
Get the jack.
Huh?
And get the jack.
Yup.
I think nice. You were talking all about it.
What?
Your jack. Oh yeah, this thing good. Look, I carry it in my car.
Yeah, for shit like this, you just whip the thing out. Bam.
No, yours is 2.5 ton. Mine's is 3.
look-
How big mine is compared to your 2.5.
Yeah, yours is way bigger. That's what I'm saying. It's like some home automotive shit or like garage shit. This is like some shit you keep in the car.
Look, yours is look at that little thing. That thing nice. It's gonna work. You just.
I'm gonna put it to the back. It might be harder, but it'll be easy. We do 2 at once. By the diff, baby. You'll be like, don't put it on the diff. Nigga, fuck.
Yeah, it's cold out here.
It's fucking brisk, bro. Oh fuck. They put it under.
Yeah.
And right under the diff, baby. Exhaust looking good under there. I should type. It look like type low. Yeah, that exhaust gotta get tucked up, bro. I don't know if you can see it.
No, I don't see nothing. Not down here.
I can't wait to put my tires on, yes sir.
What you gonna do with the old ones?
Put them in the graveyard.
Yeah. You give them to the people that you give it to them guys on State Street.
Oh, fuck. Nah, I'm not gonna
They gonna sell them as
I'm
used
not gonna say
tires.
fuck them, but I'm not gonna give them shits. I wanted to roast these, to be honest, but should I?
I don't know.
Damn, I already.
You already came a long way.
You're not even recording me.
I am recording. We can see. We see you.
One hitter.
Almost. This side not off the ground yet.
I hate you, David.
Alright, I think nice.
Nigga, fuck you. Nigga, this is one pump at a time. Nigga, one pump of that one would take the whole car up.
Alright, it's off the ground.
This side isn't.
Oh.
Oh, baby. Come on, what side we gonna do? What side we gonna do?
Oh, I don't know. Whatever side you want.
This one. Fuck it. Oh, now let's do the other side. Bro, I'm so happy. What the fuck? Come on. I should have brought my drill, man. I'm gonna drill this shit out quick.
Like somebody hit the air conditioning. That's what it feel like outside. Somebody turned the heat on yesterday. Today it's cold.
It's not that cold.
You don't feel that cold wind?
Let's see, T, whether does this show how much battery I have left?
You got them 2 bars.
Bro, I might have to lift the car up higher because its rims are bigger.
Yeah, you might. Yeah, you might.
Spanked, bro. Get a close up on this. Spanked, bro.
Ain't nothing on there.
Look at the size difference, bro. Comparison, bro. Well, this wall is 45, so the wall is bigger. This is a 35. So I might get a bigger wheel, like a bigger side wall. Yeah, but these shits is spanked, baby. Look at those fresh meat spank tire.
I don't know who that is.
I don't know, but like.
Oh, it's my aunt. Oh. Look at my aunt over there.
Slotted and drilled, even though it's crusty.
Oh yeah. Slotted
A
and
little
drilled.
crusty, but.
It is. And what they? She should be upstairs.
Ooh, baby, what does that look, David? You getting a good. Let me see. What's up, y'all? Oh my God. I think David's talking to his family members. Oh man, I can't do this. I don't know if you guys can see. Hey, this is deep in there, bro. Deep. Is it? Oh yeah, this is a shot. Good frame. Bruh. So I'm just gonna do this side so you can see the other side before and after before I take off the wheel. Before I take off the other side, I mean. Ah, damn. They're crusty, bro. Okay, another tighten them. I have my drill. I don't know why I didn't get it. My camera's dying. Yeah, I should have brought my drill. I'm messed up, man. This is annoying. Yo, Dave, you got a drill or something?
No, it costs like around 200 for a good one because I want to get a cheap one. 200 for a good one.
No, bro, my Milwaukee's like 3 bro.
Oh, you got Milwaukee? Oh, you trying to get
Do you need? Huh?
I got a ratchet at least.
Yes, please, man, something. Nah, bro. Alright, so I'm gonna cut. Yeah, pick up the camera when the fry's done. So here's how the back look. It's high right now. It's sitting. Actually, I can't even show it because it's freaking thingy. It's lifted.
You got a lift kit on there.
But this is how it look.
That's
how the tire. This is how the tire look.
A 3-inch lift kit.
Over here. He said 3-inch lift kit on the Stang. This dude smoking crack. And here's how the other one look. It's so big comparison.
Get a monster truck.
Dang, there's mad. Dang, you can see the wire. Hold on. Wire gang, David. Look at them fucking wires, son.
Oh, you good? Yeah. Hell yeah.
Yo, that is crazy. But look how this side looks like all caved in, even with the spacer. I have like a 10 mil spacer, like 15 mil spacer. What the other side? I think it's just be pulling up at these crib. Ooh, looking good. What'd you say? What'd you say? You're cold?
It's cold.
My dude, what am I paying you for?
You're not paying me.
Yes, I am.
You're not paying.
Yo, I'm paying these two people to work. And look at my hands. Look at their hands, clean. I pay you guys $110 an hour, son. Look, he's earning his $110.
We gonna get rich.
What about you, buddy?
When I get.
Look at this man dancing and stuff. You supposed to be putting tires on my shit, buddy. I'm paying you for a reason, dude.
So YouTube,
Like
see
you're
how he
using
treats us.
You're using me.
We look
buddy.
for somebody else.
Yes, it's going on
The
YouTube.
whole thing?
Yes.
Oh, say that.
It's been out for a while.
New
Hold
YouTube
on.
video coming soon.
Hold on.
Throw your Instagram up or whatever.
Hold on.
Whatever,
Follow me on
Instagram, Snap. What is it?
Follow me on Snap. Follow me on Instagram.
You gotta say it though.
And LinkedIn.
Alright, I'll put it in the description for you.
Alright.
I got you.
Mandingo.
Mandingo?
Mandingo.
That's your nickname?
That's my nickname. That's my slave name.
This dude, no. This dude, bro.
Slave name.
Hurry up, David. You're my other slave.
It's good now. You just gotta lift the front.
Alright, bet. This side is looking good, buddy. It's not, it doesn't have much as poke as, damn. What was that? Nah, once I put it down, it'll probably like, I don't know. I gotta tighten them though. And you got the breaker bar. The back, just a little with my other shit. Oh my goodness. Go ahead, buddy.
A hoodie.
Huh?
Let me get a hoodie.
No, bitch, you got one.
Bitch.
Bro, I'll go get a jacket from upstairs.
You got a hoodie, bro?
Nah, I got a dirty hoodie that I was using for
See
work
these
yesterday.
people I'm dealing with? You see these people I'm dealing with here? Look at this man.
I do want to get a tall boy.
Bro, I'm trying to get a Guinness.
Yeah, listen, we'll cop some drinks after we're done, bruh. After you're done doing the tires, we'll cop the drinks, bruh.
Got 5 on it.
That's 5 more.
You work, you gotta
dollars
work
I
for your
ain't
money,
got,
buddy.
baby.
You gotta work for the beard, bro.
I ain't gotta work for
No,
shit.
they would pay you
Fuck
$110
you.
an hour.
I'm paying you 110.
You ain't paying me.
I'm cutting your
shit.
pay again. I'm cutting your pay
You
again.
ain't nada.
I'm cutting his pay. I don't like how he's talking to me. Alright, all of them is loose.
Yeah, they all loose.
Fuck you. Alright, so we just gotta do the fronts. That's it, baby. Just the fronts and that's it, baby. Oh, I took the grill update. Took the gold Mustang
It
symbol.
look better.
It looks evil because it had the honeycomb and I just want the symbol. So you could just buy the symbol and it'll be open like that. Look how menacing it looks. This looks mean from up top. Yeah, I got a turbo. Nah, I don't got a turbo. I wish. Imagine just a turbo peeking out right there. Damn, that'd be crazy.
Turbo with the exhaust, with the super turbo.
Shut up. I'm cutting your pay. I'm cutting your pay. Alright, so I'll take this. I'll pick up the camera again once we got the fronts back in. Peace, bitch. It's on? It's recording? It's getting warmer. Anyway, finish the car. Look how it's looking, baby. Look at the new wheels, bruh. Dude. You could put you put your mind to anything, you can do anything. Is that how it goes?
Yeah.
You put your mind to it, you can do anything?
Yeah. The higher you raise your car, the more things you can do.
Bro, my wheels are black, bro.
In an hour, he gonna record again. Oh, my wheels fell off. No more.
Fuck you, bitch. Don't say that. Look, buddy.
They left for my chicken sandwiches.
My fitment is too high, though. Look at that. I can fist this. Mean looking, bruh. It doesn't give too much poke.
So your wheels can hang out more.
Actually, it gives a little more poke. I need to do like a 275.
Get some camber. Yeah, get some
Nah,
camber.
bruh, my car got camber already. It comes with camber.
Man, no, it's not cambered enough.
Look at it. The wheels are like this. If you come look at the stance, buddy. The wheels are tilted already. They're not straight perfect.
You gotta be like this. You gotta be walking like this. If it ain't walking like this,
Nah,
I'm
that's too much camber. I think it's positive or negative. I don't know which one's which. Dude, man, I can't believe it, bro. I wanted to stick staying even though you guys just watch my other videos on YouTube. think it was a red stink. I mean, I know it was a red stink, but I think I have YouTube videos of the red stink on YouTube. I mean, video. You know what I mean. Anyway, it's just I'm really doing it, bro. I'm really doing a YouTube life, bro. That shit was nasty.
Right, boy. I gotta run fast tomorrow.
Listen, David.
2 miles fast.
I'm doing it, bro. You think I'm a YouTuber, bro? You think I'm cut out for this?
You said I'm YouTube life. You say yeah. Right now we in a.
Do you think I'm cut out for this life, bro? Making videos for a living. I don't know, man. I don't know. We're at a fire department changing my car. If you didn't notice, but so we out. We're gonna test drive the new setup. Alright, fuck you too then, bitch.
Oh, you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to
I
you.
thought you talking to you too. My bad.
No. So you ready to test it out? Hop in.
Yeah, let's test them. What you gonna do with these wheels? You gonna leave them here?
Nah, bro. We gotta put them in your car or something.
You gotta test drive it?
Yes, I'm gonna test drive
let's-
it. No, you're not gonna
let's
test drive
test drive
shit.
it.
Alright, let me put my book bag in the car.
No, nigga.
What's test drive?
You're not test driving shit.
So let me put this in the car.
Nigga, just keep it with you.
Why, nigga? My car is right there.
But don't you want your stuff with you?
No.
Alright, that's your shit.
Oh, actually, you know what?
Nigga, we're in a car. We're not walking. Why you just put that shit back there, dummy? We just gotta put these wheels, and then we'll get a test drive.
So just throw them things
Nice
away.
test drive.
We don't need it. We'll give
Next
it to
clip,
the
you'll
city.
see a test drive. It's recorded.
I'm gonna play that heat.
No. Take it off. Turn it off.
Turn what off?
Oh shit, the music, buddy.
Oh,
You're gonna be
it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. You gotta.
Hurry, nigga, I gotta edit all this. Recorded.
Oh, it is. I was gonna record. I know that. You got.
It's recorded now. Alright. Doing it.
We out here in the dark. In the dark. Oh shit! God damn! I thought he was coming over here. Oh.
We out here, baby.
Woo.
The tires are burnt. Did the stickers come off or not?
I don't know. These motherfucking tires are hot though. They hot. Yeah.
What's that do? You gotta jump in quick. I'm trying to do a burnout.
What are you gonna do with it? Yeah.
Oh, it's hard to burn out in the manual car, right?
Oh, you shooting rocks. Oh my goodness.
Get it.
Woo! Oh, that rubber. Oh yeah.
Right there, you're sitting on your keys. Shit, it's hard to do a burnout on that. I gotta hold the brake.